today I'll be finally making a video on my dirt bike. Well, my mom deleted like 2 videos. I don't know why. But here's a dirt bike. I mean, it's a mini, but let's check out the exhaust. I saw some of my friends that was actually wearing a cuff. Here you go. That other hole right here is not letting out more air, so I can't take it off. It's powered by pull. You just gotta pull it, but I don't know how to pull it though. Here's where you like pump the gas. I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna make it. But here's the position. The acceleration is pretty fast. It's pretty loud, so I just felt gas. So goodbye. See you later.